Good morning. So, shall we discuss about our work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Good morning to all.
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am. So, we'll do
Good
the
morning.
first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first question is 9 and 4. See, all this question, did you understand? There are no common factors in these questions.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you understand from this? These questions does not have any common factors. Clear? So first one is 9 and 4. Is there any common factor in between?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
There are no common factors. No common factors. I will write here. No common factors. No common factors. Okay. So when you divide by 2, you will get 9 and 2.
2.
Again, you divide by 2, you will get 9 and 1. Then with 3, 3, 1.
Then again, and then
1.
1.
Okay. So LCM is
36.
2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And just see,
36.
it is 36. And see, children, yeah, I'll write one thing. 9 into 4, when you multiply, you will get the same answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if there are no common factors, when you find LCM, you will get the same number. When you find the LCM, you will get the same number. Same number. Clear? Clear? Did you understand? When you find the LCM, you will get the same number when you multiply with this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that is one observation. You have to take care if there are no common factors, you have to do like this. When you study all the types of LCMs. Okay. Again, we will do with the 12 and 5. And children, can you guess what will be the LCM? Look at here. If there are no common factors.
I'm 60.
60. How did you get it?
I'm by multiplying 12 into 5.
By multiplying 12 and 5. When you find LCM, you will get the same number 60, provided if there are no common factors. Clear? So we'll do it with the 2 first.
So we can check
and
the
5.
answers like that.
Later, when you will come to the higher classes, higher studies, you will do without doing the LCM. Okay. If you find that there are no common factors, you just multiply it and find the answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So our LCM is
2 into 2
2
into
into 2
5.
into 3 into 5. And
60.
our answer is 60. So when you multiply 12 into 5, you will get 60. 60 itself. When there are no common factors, this is our observation. Clear?
Okay,
if there are no common factors, you won't get LCM as any other number. You will multiply, you will get the same answer when you multiply 12 and 5. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And we will do the next one. That purposely I have given such type of questions. And third one is LCM of 6 and 5. Can you guess, children, 6 and 5? Is there any common number?
30. No, ma'am.
30. There is no common number. When you do the steps, you will get the same answer.
30 is the LCM.
When you do with the steps, you will get the same answer. LCM is
30.
2 into 3 into 5 equal to 30. And here also you understood that there are no common factors. There is no common factor. So when you multiply 6 into 5, you will get the answer as 30 itself. So 6 into 5 equal to 30. And fourth question is 15 and 4. Check whether you have any common factor in this 15 and 4.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So what will be the LCM?
60.
60, right. So we'll do with the steps and check whether we get the number. 15. 15 one. Okay, 3 with the 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Again with the 5, 1, 1. So LCM is
2 into
2 into 2 into 3 into 5.
LCM
Equal
is
to
60.
60 itself. So no common factors. So you will get the same answer when you multiply 12 into 15 into 4. So
So will you take the textbook exercise?
this is not there in the actually this is from third chapter, chapter number 3. I'm taking these questions from chapter number 3. Okay. Yes, children. So what did you observe? If there are no common factors,
We multiply directly those two
directly.
numbers.
You will multiply directly if there are no common factors. If you are sure that there are no common factors, if you have any doubt, you can do the step-by-step method itself. Clear? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Ask.
Ma'am, in the 12 and 5, that one, right? Question LCMs. So first step I wrote 2, then 3, then 2 and 5.
No problem. No problem. You first you multiplied with divided with 2, right?
Yeah, second I divided with 3.
No problem. But usually least prime number, you should divide with the least prime number. That is our procedure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll erase this. And another case I will explain. This is a second case. Okay, children. This is one second case. I will explain this.
we have to write this all?
Yes, yes. Find the LCM. Find the LCM. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Of the following numbers. Following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. One number is the factor of the other. This is our question, and look at here carefully. I will give the question afterwards. I'll explain it afterwards. You can do. Geetika, note down the absentee name, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Geetika is there. Okay, children. One question I will explain. See, 5 and 20. LCM of 5 and 20 we have to find. And this 5 and 20 has any connection? Is there any connection between 5 and 20?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. What is the connection, children?
5 stable.
This 5 stable, that 20 will come. Clear? So 5 into 4 is 20. That is why in the question it is given that find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. That means when you multiply the small number with any other number, you will get that big number, 5 into 4. Clear? Now we will find the LCM and check what is the speciality in this. So shall I divide with the 5?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 and 4.
4.
Now I'll divide with the 2.
2.
So 1 and 2. Now we'll divide with the 2, 1 and 1.
1.
What is LCM here? 5 into 2 into 2.
I'm 20.
20. What did you observe from this?
When we when we do the LCM with the factor,
What did
Then
you
what-
observe from this?
Of the other number.
Huh?
the fact like
There,
if we,
is there any observation? Did you find out any fact?
then if we multiply with multiple of number, we will get
Ma'am,
That bigger number, no, that big number will
if,
come as the LCM.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we got two numbers which are in a same table,
Mm.
we will get the LCM as the greater number.
Greater number, good.
And because I checked it with 2 and 4.
Yes. Okay, children. So, this is our first question. One more question I'll give you and I'll explain. Okay. Second question, check. You should tell me the answer. 6
Okay,
and
ma'am.
18. What will be the LCM?
18.
18. Sure. Because it is 6 into 3 is 18. So 6 into something, you will get the small number, into something, you will get the big number, large number. So let us find the LCM and check. 2, 3 and 9. Clear? Isn't it?
3. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 9 is 18. Now, we'll do with 1, sorry, 3, 1 and 3. Again with 3, 1, 1. Okay, so LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 3.
18.
18. So what did you
18.
observe? What is your observation? What is your observation?
if we do the LCM with any two numbers which are there in one of the tables.
Same table, the lowest.
So if one number is the factor of the other, when you multiply small number with any number, if you get the big number, then that big number, large number, greater number will be the LCM. Okay, so without doing, you can find it. What is 12 and 48? Look at 12 and 48 carefully. 12 and 48.
40.
12 into 4 is 48, right? 12 into 4 is 48. So what is the LCM here?
48.
48. Let us check. 2, 6, 24. Again 2, 3, 12. With 3 I will divide now. 1 and 4. Again with 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 48. You want to give the get the first question onwards. Okay, this is our first question.
Ma'am, can you show the last question?
Wait. Did you all wrote the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the second question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the two cases, special cases. Always remember this. So when we are finding the unlike fractions addition, we will use all these types.
Finish writing.
Now I'll give fourth question.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
guess the answer and you find. Both you do. Guess the answer.
The answer will be 45.
45.
Answer is Answer
45.
is
45.
45.
9 into 5 is 45.
9 into 5 is 45. Okay.
Completed.
Okay. Okay, children, we divide with what number? 3. Shall I divide? 3
Ma'am,
and 15. Again 3. 3.
1 and 5.
Sorry, 1 and 5. Now with the 5.
1 and 1.
1 and 1. So LCM is
3 into 3 into 5.
3
45.
into 3 into 5.
45.
So answer is 45.
I got that.
Yes. Now, see children. So for why we are studying this LCM now? Because for adding addition of unlike fractions, we need the addition of unlike fractions. When we do that, we need this LCM. Clear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Addition of like fractions is very easy. Now, let me explain that. Addition of like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. What is the speciality? If I am adding 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7, what will you do?
We'll just
This is
add
like
the
fractions.
numerator.
Okay, Salam, what do you mean by like fractions?
The denominators will be same.
Denominator is same. If the denominator is same, it is very easy to add a fraction because that common denominator will be in the answer also. Just repeat the common denominator and add 1 plus 2. You will get the answer very easily. Answer is 3 by 7. Okay, same process. If it is 3 by 7 minus 1 by 7, how will you do?
We will 3 minus 1 by
3
7.
minus 1 by 7.
3 minus 1 and the common denominator 7 and our answer is 2 by 7. Clear?
2 by 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So addition and subtraction of like fractions is very easy. Just write the denominator and add or subtract according to the question. Okay. But addition of unlike fractions. Hello, somebody is
Ma'am, we have-
talking. Please mute.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No need. Just listen to me. Listen to me. Addition of, don't write anything. Listen to me. Addition of unlike fractions. What do you mean by unlike fractions?
Denominators are different.
Denominators will be
different.
Denominators are different. Okay, children. I'll give one question. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 9. Listen. When you get a fraction, when you get two fractions for addition or subtraction, your first step, it is a step-by-step process. First step is look at that denominator carefully. Watch those denominators carefully. Carefully watch the denominators. What are the denominators?
6 and 9.
Ashwin is watching carefully. Okay. 6 and 9. So you have to ask yourself whether these denominators are same.
No, ma'am,
Are they same?
No, ma'am, they are different.
These are not same.
No.
Okay. So you have to make it same. If it is same, it is very easy to add. Clear?
ma'am.
So these
Yes,
are not
ma'am.
same. So you should make it same. These all things you have to ask yourself. You have to say to yourself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
ask question to yourself and find the answer. If these are not same, you have to make it same. There is only one way to make it same. That is, there should be a common denominator for both the fractions. Okay. This common denominator we will get by finding the LCM of the denominators. Clear, children? So after watching the denominators, you understood that these are not same. So next step is how to make it same. For that, you have to find a common denominator. So you should find the LCM of 6 and 9. Clear, children? LCM of 6 and 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You know to find the LCM. Clear. So in this, don't use the working column. This LCM is a part of your answer. Okay. So 6 and 9 you have to write like this. And you know to find LCM, which is the least prime number, children?
2.
2. Least prime number. Start with always least prime number 2. Okay. So answer is 3.
3 by 9.
3 and 9. Okay, if you start with 3, you will get the answer easily. Now it is
3.
3. 1,
1 and 3.
3. Again 3
1 by 1.
and 1. Okay. And LCM is
2 into 3.
2 into 3 into 3.
Into 3.
LCM is 2 into 3 into 3. And what is the answer, children? 18. So this is our first step. Okay. Find the LCM of the denominators provided if they are unlike fractions. Okay. Again, this is the most important step. You take each fraction 1 by 6 and make this denominator as the LCM. LCM is 18.
18.
Okay. How will you make 6 as 18? Which number will you multiply?
6 into 3.
6 into 3.
6 into. Find out the number. When you multiply with it, you will get the denominator 18. Which number will you multiply?
Into
3.
3.
So you, when you multiply into 3, 6 into 3, you will get 18. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
doing 1 into 3. Since it is a fraction, you should do the same process on the numerator also. Okay, children?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
what is the answer?
3 into 8.
3 into 8.
3 is
3 into 18.
3 by 18.
3 by 18. 3 by 18. Again, take the second number, second fraction, 2 by 9. How will you make this as 18? 9 into
9
what?
into 2.
9 into 2. Do the same process here also.
4 by
4 by
4 by
18.
18.
4 by
So,
18.
okay, now you look at the denominators. Are they same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
same. Clear? They are same. So instead of 1 by 6 and 2 by 9, we should substitute this. These are 3 by 18 plus 4 by 18.
By 18.
Now, are they like fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What will you do for adding like fractions?
Ma'am, add the
Add 3 plus 4.
3 plus 4 by
And answer is 7 by
7 by
18.
18.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, after finding LCM, you take each fractions and make the denominator of the fraction as the number which is the LCM. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you get those fractions, substitute those fractions and do the answer. If it is
Okay, ma'am.
addition, you add it. If it is subtraction, you should subtract it.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? So write this. After that, I'll give you one more question. I'll explain that also. And we will do the...
Scroll the board of.
this is the question, right?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, something.
Heading.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Ask.
ma'am, did you give addition of like fractions before this?
No. I just explained it.
You gave the notes before.
I already gave additional like fractions.
Ma'am,
And for teaching unlike fractions addition, I taught LCM. Clear,
Yeah.
children?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, did you give these notes after the homework, after discussing the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You did not give any questions before?
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Left everybody finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give the next question.
Ma'am, finish.
I'll give a simple question for you.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute. You tell me how to do it.
Okay,
Second
ma'am.
one. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. What is your first step?
Ma'am, find the LCM.
Find the LCM.
No, what is your first step?
We should look at
Ma'am, check the denominators.
Check the denominators. Watch carefully the denominators. What did you understand? What did you observe?
Ma'am, they are not same.
They are not
Not
same.
same.
They are not same. So we should should
LCM.
make it same. How can we make it same?
By
Finding
finding LCM.
By finding LCM. LCM of what?
4 and 8.
4 and
4
8.
and 8.
Okay, very good. So we are going to find the LCM of 4 and 8. Okay. So earlier you found so many things. 4 and 8 are factors. 4 into 2 is 8. Clear? Leave it. All those things you leave now. We'll find LCM of 4 and 8. Okay, children. 4 and 8. Which is the common number?
2.
2.
So 2 and 4. Again with 2, 1 and 2. Now with 2, 1, 1.
One and
What is the LCM?
8.
2 into 2
2
into 2
into
equal
2.
to 8.
8.
Okay. 8. Now what will you do? What is your next step? What is your next step? Each fraction. After finding LCM, you take each fraction. First of all, you take 1 by 4. Okay. And leave some space and write by 4 like this. Is there any need for multiplying this 1 by 4? Sorry. 8. Sorry. 8. Okay. Is what now leave some space and write like this. Now your aim is to make that 4 as 8. How will you make?
4 into 2.
4 into 2.
4 into
4 into 2.
Okay, children, 4 into 2. Again, you do this
Numerator.
here at the
Numerator
top, numerator also. It is very important. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 by 8.
2 by 8.
2 by 8. Okay, children. Now, next one is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is already the same number as the LCM.
Yes,
Is there
ma'am.
any need for multiplying that?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
1 by
ma'am.
8 is like that itself, 1 by 8 itself, because at 8 is the LCM. So no need of taking it again. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
1 by
ma'am.
8 no need of multiply. If you multiply 1 by 8 into 1 only. So what is there any need for multiplying that 1?
No, ma'am.
No. So it is 1 by 8. Like that. Okay. Again, you take the, instead of these fractions, you have to substitute this. 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8. What is our answer?
3
3 by 8.
3 by 8.
3 by 8. Did you understand this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, one third question I'll give you. Third question. Third question is 1 by 6 plus 2 by 5. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
I wrote.
Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer. I'm finished.
Anna, Ananya, Nihal, Smriti, Neha Mary. Is Neha Mary? Shravana, Savio, Francis, Ayan, Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
So, did you get the answer, Anthony? Did you get the answer? Yes. Anthony, Aaron, Ismail, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony, you did not answer. Okay, children, what is your first step?
To check the denominator.
To check the
What is your first step?
What
It
is
is the denominator.
You always forget that. What is your first step? Watch the denominators. Okay. Yes, yes. What did you observe?
the denominator?
Not same. So what is your next step?
Find
Find the LCM because we need to make it same. Okay. So we should find LCM of 6 and 5. Okay, LCM of 6 and 5. So you will find LCM of 6 and 5. There are no common factors. There are no common factors. What will be the answer if there are no common factors? 30, 30. Okay. 6 into 5 is 30. So 3, 5.
And then
Yes.
1 and 5.
3, 1 and 5. 1 and 1. So LCM of 6 and 5 is 30.
30.
Okay. 2 into 3 into 5
30.
equal to 30. Now what is the step?
Now to make fraction.
Okay. 1 by 6. Each fraction make it 30.
Make it
Into what?
Into 5.
Into 5.
6 into 5.
1 into 5.
1 into 5.
5 by 30. Next one.
2 by 5. 2 by 5.
2 by 5.
5
So make it 30.
5 into 6.
Into 6. 12 by 30.
12 by 30.
Okay. Now write this 5 by 30 plus 12 by 30.
12 by 30.
Answer is
17 by 30.
17 by 30.
17 by 30.
Okay, children.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope you understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give the homework for you for the next class. Same type of question. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am. Miss, this
Yes,
homework
ma'am.
for the remedial class.
Yes.
Miss, this homework for the remedial class.
Yes, today I will give some different questions for as LCM. Okay, children. So it is our homework. First question, this is from our textbook itself. Okay.
ma'am.
2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Yes.
Ma'am, should we do it before a remedial class?
No need. This for the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 6 questions.
And the third one is 4 by 9.
4 by 9. 4
plus-
by 9. 4 by 9.
Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finish right.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, not
Yes.
Finish.
Okay. Okay, children, did you write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, then shall we wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so study well and come. This is our LCM.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.